United States Department of Agriculture logo. Strawberry and waffle kebabs with maple yogurt dip. Recipe for children ages 3 through 5. Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. This recipe makes 6 servings, takes 15 minutes to prep, and 4 minutes to cook. Let's get started. Wash your hands for 20 seconds using soap and water. Lather hands and rinse off soap. Use a paper towel to dry hands. In a medium bowl, combine 3/4 of a cup of non-fat vanilla Greek yogurt and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Stir. Place waffles into a toaster. Toast waffles for 3 to 4 minutes. Cut each whole wheat waffle into quarters. Wash 3 cups or 36 strawberries and dry with a paper towel. On a cutting board, cut the stems off the strawberries. Build the kebabs. Use 6-inch lollipop sticks for each kebab. Place 3 strawberries and 1 waffle triangle onto each lollipop stick. Serve 2 kebabs with 2 tablespoons of maple yogurt dip. The CACFP crediting for strawberry and waffle kebabs with maple yogurt dip for children ages 3 through 5 is as follows. The serving size is 2 kebabs with 2 tablespoons of maple yogurt dip. It provides a 1/2 cup fruit, a 1/4 ounce equivalent meat alternate, and a 1/2 ounce equivalent grains. This recipe is whole grain rich. The source is the Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. United States Department of Agriculture bumper. USDA is an equal opportunity provider, employer, and lender. See complete recipe and more at www.fns.usda.gov/team-nutrition-recipes. QR code is shown with instructions to scan the QR code with your mobile device.